everyone, my name is Tatiana, or Taty, aka just Taty things. So if you have been on social media recently, you've probably seen that face rollers have become a thing, and I'm pretty new to the game because I just found out about them since Patrick Dempsey from Grey's Anatomy, aka McDreamy, was using one of these face rollers from his wife's company, Beauty, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name of the company, but that's what I thought it was. So when I saw that he was using it, I was like, oh, that's a very interesting one. For that reason, I wanted to find out what other face rollers are in the market. So I checked on Amazon and did a little bit more research. So if you go on Amazon, you'll quickly realize that face rollers can become a little pricey. I found some that are near $10. Then I also found some that are around $15, and then I found one that was $47, and I was like, what is going on? I am not going to spend that much. So if you're like me and you just want to have like a more budget-friendly version of a face roller, then stay tuned, and you can make these for holiday gifts. I'm going to go over 3 different ways to make face rollers that you can use and make them your holiday gifts or just for yourself if you want to. If you are interested in learning more DIYs, life tips, home decor, and self-care essentials, then subscribe and push the bell button so you get notified when I post a video on Tuesdays. Ooh. This is like a prototype, okay? But this is like similar to what we are going to be doing today, and I'm going to teach you how to do something so simple like this. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is gather your stuff at home to see like what you have. And I first went into my cabinet and asked my mom if this was okay to do, to like just get some beads that I wanted to use for this face roller. So if you are going to be doing this project, and you definitely want to make sure that the wire and the bead is going to be okay. Like they're both like compatible with each other. Also, you want to find hollowed out tubes. So in this case, I ended up actually using a Bic pen. Like the Bic pen, it just like there was no more ink or whatever. So I found this to be the perfect thing to be able to put my wire in. And then I also found other hollow tubes, such as these. So I also use these makeup brushes. Like I used one, oh, it already popped off. Yeah, so I'm going to use this as the handle. So you want to have a hollow tube, like a pen, like a Bic pen, or a makeup brush handle to do this project. And also even Sharpie tubes that you have not used. Like, you know the handles for the Sharpies? Like, you can also use those too. If, like, they run out, like, of ink and stuff, use that. Perfect. So the next thing is you might have to buy them at the store, so just prepare for that. I got these round bar cold rolled wire kind of things that I'm going to be using to basically have the beads go on top of. I also went to the store and I got some pliers because apparently I didn't have pliers at home, and the ones that I got, by the way, I went to Home Depot. So the slip joint pliers that I got were from Anvil, and I'll put the information down below so you know. But yeah, it's like you want to get one of these. So one of these, one of these. And the pliers were around $4. I think it was a little less than $4. So to be honest, if you have pliers at home already, you're really only spending on the wire. And unless you have this at home, then everything will be free, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So with that being said, let me know what kind of massage tools are your favorites, because I've been really into it and I really want to know what you all are interested in, okay? So alright, so let's start assembling this. going to be a lot of pressure for your hands. I would recommend at least 1/4, maybe even less. Just anything that the bead will be able to stay onto. It's not too easily bendable, but it's bendable to the point where you're not going to be struggling with it, and then you're not going to be like, oh my gosh, why did I do this DIY project? It's too much for me. You're going to make sure that the bead stays on there and then it's not moving around, but that you can also move it across your face. So make sure it's not too tight and then make sure it's not too loose that the bead's falling off. That is how you make a DIY face roller, and if you're interested in other self-care essentials, maybe even having a self-care date, which I had the other day, then definitely check out this video right here. But yeah, that was like awesome. Okay, alright, so let's dab on out. If you like this video, then subscribe, and also like the video so I even know that you like this kind of video. Let me know what kind of massage tools you like. I like face massage tools, but I also like foot massage tools. And then also follow me on my social media. Yeah, have a nice day.